Hey everyone, my name is Rolf from DualGem, and today I'm gonna just really quickly show you how to convert the third-person blueprint into a first-person blueprint with keeping the third-person character. This should be really quickly. Let's head over into our third-person character, head into our viewport, and the first thing we want to do is we want to drag it follow camera onto our mesh and remove the camera boot. After that, let's socket it to the head and let's set it to 0, 0, 0. And what we want to do is we need use pawn control rotation. And then let me rotate it properly into place, which should be just... Let's type it in here, 90. This is because and then let's just move it a little bit forward. And use control paw rotation, yaw rotation. And now we have a first person movement. This was just pretty much a quick segue for the upcoming tutorials, and this should be basic for everybody. It's always good to know stuff like this. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, let me know by leaving a like or even subscribing, and if you have any ideas for future tutorials, let me know. With that said, I wish you all a nice day and goodbye.